Actually, same preparation pa yung ginagawa namin from the previous conferences. But this time, siguro, maganda rin kasi yung schedule. Once a week lang yung team. And then, I think, mas makakabuo kami na mas magandang chemistry this time kasi kumbaga hindi minamadali.
Mika, ikaw ba, ano ba yung naging adjustment from the previous season compared sa ngayon?
For me, sa situation ko, I think yung starting ko preparation yung personally have ko there as playoff para mas makapag-contribute pa rin talaga ako sa
100% ready ka na ba for?
Yes, I'm ready. Pinipilit ko rin maging 100% na katawan ko.
And also, Mika, last time, medyo yun nga, may controversial call na involving the team sa semis. And ngayon ba, may sinabing innovations ang PVL and PNBF. Ikaw ba, how did you take it, yung mga sinabi nila?
Since tapos na rin naman na yung nangyari, you have to be on, you have to be professional as well. So, hopefully, siya sana mangyari ulit sa upcoming conference. Sana ma-handle dito ng mas maayos na step.
Gano'ng kalaking bagay yung sinabi nila na they will be bringing foreign referees for the sake of neutrality when it comes to refereeing?
I think magandang help din yun sa maglalaro ng teams and for sure magiging maganda yung hopefully magiging maganda yung feedback rin talaga. And I think antayin lang natin mangyari.
Maraming mga magbabalik na players, no? Kaninong player ka excited ulit makatapat sa court?
Actually, ako naman naisip na sinabi niya si Ate Rachel. So, I'm very happy for Ate Buday na kabalik siya ulit. And idol ko rin kasi talaga. Sabi ko, grabe siya magpakondisyon. And makikita na natin ulit yung bright smile niya sa court.